Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE brand front-loading washing machine and you're getting an E67 error and you're wondering what is this error and is there anything that you can do to fix it. Now, what the error is that the water temperature sensor is defective, or at least being sensed as being defective by your control board. So there's a couple of things that you can do. I wouldn't do anything until doing a hard reset on the washing machine, because sometimes these control board electronic sensing issues can just be cleared out with a hard reset. But once that's happened, there's basically three things that can be going on here. One is the wiring to your water temperature sensor might be damaged or disconnected or in some way. So you want to check the wire harnessing and everything like that. Make sure there's nothing disconnected, frayed, loose, damaged, and repair anything like that as necessary. The next thing you want to do is just go ahead and replace your water temperature sensor, because that's in the end what's sensed as being defective. And then if that doesn't work, then you need to replace the actual control board in the washing machine.